General Secretary Edappadi K. Palaniswamy is at Chidambaram as we speak, and he is getting out of his vehicle over here for a road show, and it is actually huge crowd at this spot, and his campaign called as Makkalai Kappam Tamizhagathai Meetpom, and for that he is over here. That is Edappadi K. Palaniswamy, and this important aspect here is that now we have only 9 months for assembly elections in the state of Tamil Nadu, but campaigns have already started. On one side we have DMK's Oranil Tamil Nadu, and on the other side we have AIDMK's Makkalai Kappam Tamizhagathai Meetpom, and over here that is Edappadi K. Palaniswamy, the opposition leader, who has also climbed down from this vehicle and he is walking over here. Now, the important aspect here is that there have been counters about political criticism. On one side, EPS claims campaign is necessary as he claims that it is time to retrieve Tamil Nadu from DMK, and that is why he is holding this roadshow over here. Even though on the other side DMK is trying to give counter, there have been several accusations, of which one AIDMK with BJP. EPS has also taken a picture by which he has shown the picture of CM Stalin's father Karunanidhi with BJP leaders earlier, questioning why was that particular alliance done. And here you see he's actually meeting the public at this spot, and those kind of counters have already occurred. It's very interesting to see the kind of criticism placed and the replies that is being received. And another one important aspect of this particular criticism is that he has said that DMK rule, it is time, and he has claimed bye-bye Stalin, and that's what also become a very important kind of issue. In fact, even the Chief Minister replied to it saying, while EPS says bye-bye Stalin, the Chief Minister said goodbye. That way, campaigns have started in the state of Tamil Nadu, fiery campaigns for the election 2026, and that is the opposition leader Edappadi K. Palaniswamy, who has initiated the campaign right now, and he is presently at Chidambaram, and he is meeting the public at this spot present here. Sir, in the payanam eppadi sir makkaloda aadharavu eppadi irukku sir?
மிக சிறப்பா எழுச்சியா இருக்குது. நீங்க கண்கூடா பாத்துட்டு இருக்கீங்க.
EPS over there who is meeting the public, and he's actually getting shots and everything from the public at this spot. With Daniel, Pramod Madhav for India Today.